everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to clone your voice for free using Chatterbox by Resemble AI. First, just open Chatterbox page on your Google browser and then just sign in with your Google account. And don't worry, you will get some free credits that enough to explore and test. And then just click on create new voice. And to clone a voice, you can choose professional clone if you are a pro user, and if you are a free user, just click on repeat voice clone. Just click on it and then next, and then just choose your language that you prefer, and then just click next. And here you can either upload a voice recording files or just record your voice directly in the web. And in this tutorial, I will just upload an audio file. Just click on select file like this. And once you're done, just click on next. And then you can preview your voice clone.
Hey there, it's me. Well, technically, it's you. What would you like to say next?
And just go to my voice to check your voice clone. And as you can see, your voice clone is ready. Let's play the clone result.
It's me. Well, technically, it's you. What would you like me to say next?
The quality of the clone sound is quite good. And after this, you can use your voice clone to generate a text to speech. Just click on try now and then just generate your text to speech. And okay, maybe that's it. A quick way to clone your voice using Chatterbox. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.